The equation is 4x squared minus 3y squared plus 8x plus 16 is equal to 0. And first, we need to arrange this equation. 4x squared plus 8x minus 3y squared is equal to negative 16. We need to complete this square. First, we need to isolate 4 times quantity x squared plus 2x minus 3y squared is equal to negative 16.
And then, we need to factor this equation. 4 times the quantity of x plus 1 squared minus 3y squared is equals to negative 12. And then, we need to divide both sides by negative 12. And the answer is negative x plus 1 quantity squared over 3 plus y squared over 4 is equals to 1. We need to arrange this equation in order to find the standard form of an ellipse. So, y squared over 4 minus quantity x plus 1 squared over 3 equals to 1.
Right. After finding the standard form of a hyperbola, we need to find the value of a squared, b squared, and the c squared. First, just copy the denominator of the y squared. Second, the value of b squared, which is 3. And to find the value of c squared, we need to use the Pythagorean theorem, which is c squared equals a squared plus b squared. So, c squared equals 4 plus 3, c squared equals 7, c squared equals square root of 7 or 2.65. After finding the value of this, you will now get the value of the center, the vertices, and the foci. So the center is negative 1, 0, and the vertices are negative 1, 2, and negative 1, negative 2. And the foci are negative 1, square root of 7, and negative 1, negative square root of 7.
Go.
Now, we're gonna graph the equation. First, we're gonna graph the center, which is negative 1, 0. Next, the vertices, which is negative 1 and 2, and negative 1, negative 2. Next, the foci, which is negative 1, positive negative, square root of 7, which is around. Next, the conjugate axis, which is 0.723, 0, and negative 2.73, 0.